Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Live Prep. Myself, Dr. Gajapati Verma. So, in the previous lecture, we have seen or we have gone through the general basic information related to the rafting course that is offered by NIMAS Institute. And now, in this particular lecture, so this is a very short lecture, and here what I will give you is the complete idea regarding the entire course I will give. First, initially, I will talk about the basic course, and then I will talk about the intermediate course. But here, what I will do is simply I will tell you how exactly these 10 days of basic course or 12 days of intermediate course will be conducted. In simple, every day how it will be there. So that information I will give you, and the individual points from the next lecture onwards I will try to explain you. Okay, so that's why here I will not give much explanation. Simply I will go through how exactly the course will be conducted in these particular days. Okay, let us quickly go through this. First, I am mentioning about the day 0. What is this day 0? Suppose course is starting from tomorrow. Already in the previous lecture, I told you, no, if course is starting from tomorrow, today itself you need to reach. Yes or no? So that today we are calling this as day 0, because from tomorrow it will be the day 1, day 2, day 3. So I am calling this as day 0. So this day you need to reach the institute. Clear? And here you are reaching the TP campus. Please remember, please don't go to Dirang campus. So in the instructions very clearly they are mentioning. So please go through the joining instructions. So reach the TP campus, how to reach it, already I have explained in the previous lecture. And then in the reception, so you are reporting. So once you are reporting in the reception, so they will make a note of it, and then they will start giving this accommodation. So they will immediately allot you in the accommodation. So where exactly they are giving, so you just remember that. And not only this, they will also provide you some things. What they will provide? They will issue sleeping bag, and they will also issue mattress, bed sheet, food plate and tumblers. Please remember, already in the previous lecture I told you, food plate and tumbler, they are optional. If you are already bringing from your home, you don't need to take from them. If you are not bringing from home, then you can take from them. So this is what, okay, tumbler means glass for drinking water and all, okay. So these they are providing. Next one, and along with this, they are also providing some important things like issue of wetsuit. So they will issue wetsuit also, and then wet boots also they are providing. And all these things, what are these wetsuit, wet boots? So regarding these things, in the next coming lectures, I will give you explanation. I will show you some images also. Okay. And along with this, they are also providing life jacket and helmet. So all these things they will issue on your name. And please remember, they will be writing all these things on your name in their register on the last day of the course. Once the course is completed, at that time you need to return them. Please remember this. Okay. So in this way. And here I am telling you about some general facility. Generally, we are having this type of questions or doubts that we are having before going to the course. So I am trying to clarify these doubts. First one, regarding the drinking water. So hot water, cold water, and normal water. So all these are available. So if you want to drink hot water, so accordingly, if you want to carry the thermal flask or something, you can carry it. So anyhow, hot water is available. Okay, these are available for drinking purpose. And for bathing purpose, the normal water. So at that whatever is the temperature that is there, so that normal water only is available. No hot water is available currently. Okay, in future they may install this geysers and all. Next one, toilets and bathrooms, they are the permanent construction, so you don't need to worry about these things. Next one, washing clothes, there are no washing machines. Please remember, washing machines are not available. So if you want to wash the clothes, you need to wash on your own. So that's why in the previous lecture I told you to carry the detergent powder or liquid. Okay, it will be easy for you. Next one, regarding the food. So both veg and non-veg are available. Okay. So suppose they are preparing some non-vegetarian items on that day, separately for vegetarians, they will prepare another curry. So please remember this. So and that's why on the first day, day 1, in the day 1, so initially you are going for day 1, I will tell you separately. So in the day 1, you are going for the PT, and once you are coming back from the PT, generally then itself they will ask you how many are vegetarians, how many are non-vegetarians. So accordingly they will prepare the food and all. So this option is also available. Next one. So breakfast, lunch and dinner timings. Breakfast on an average, roughly I am saying. So this is at 7 to 8, between 7 and 8 a.m. and the dinner is also between 7 and 8 p.m. Okay. This lunch time is not exactly like so and so time, because for this lunch will be provided once we are returning from our training. Understood or not? So in the morning session, we are going to the river. So after we finish that particular training, so we are reaching back to the institute. So as soon as we are coming back, so by that time, this lunch will be ready. So immediately you can have the lunch. So that's why I'm not telling you exact time. So it may become 1 p.m. or 1:30 p.m. or 2 p.m. depending on the training. Okay. Okay. Next one. So that is about the general information. Now on day 1, what exactly happens? So day 1 of basic course. First I will tell you for basic course, and immediately after this we will talk about intermediate course. So for the basic course, day 1, so morning session. This day 1 is exactly same for both basic and intermediate courses. Okay. On the morning session, so generally at 6:15 a.m. So there is a fall in. Fall in means, so it is like since it is a defense institute, right? So there is a fall in. So all the people has to gather and they will take the attendance and all. So in this way, so we'll be falling for that. And then immediately it will be followed by the PT, okay, physical training. So regarding the PT separately, I will tell you what exactly they are doing. So what type of physical preparation is required. So how we can prepare in advance. These things I will tell you in the next coming lectures. And then once you are coming back from the PT, then go for the bath. And after finishing this, there is a visit to campus temple. Within the campus, there is a small temple. I will show you in the next videos. Okay. So there is a small temple. So you will be going there so that your course will be starting from this. Then there is a documentation process. Already in the previous lecture, I told you, no. So the copy of medical certificate original is required, copy of Aadhaar card is required, and then fee receipt is required, and then passport size photos are required. So this you need to carry, and along with this, please carry pen also, because you need to fill so many forms. And anyhow, you are having theory lectures also. So please carry pen and notebook also. Okay. So carry this. So you need to fill so and so forms and all. So please remember this. Okay. And regarding this, there are some important points. Those things I will tell you separately in the next coming videos, not in this. So after this documentation process, you will be going for the swimming test. So for this also, further details for each and everything, more details I will give in the next coming lecture. Simply I will give you what exactly, how exactly the schedule will be. That's it. I am giving in this video. So after this swimming test, and then they will give you equipment introduction. So with this, morning session is completed. So then you will be having the lunch, and after that they will give you some time as a break, and then you will be having some lectures on the rafting. Okay. And evening there is a fall in again. Okay. Next one, that is with that day 1 is completed. From day 2 through day 9. So on an average, if you see how it will be in the morning. So again 6:15 PT, and once you are coming back after that breakfast, and then you need to gear up. So whatever they have provided now, so I will tell you separately what is gear up means. So you need to gear up and then load the equipment, and then you are moving to the training area, and there they will teach you different things. So the training will be having, okay. So after completion of the training, so you are coming back, and then you are having lunch, you will take some rest, and then you may have lectures, or you may get some time for games also. Okay, if there are no lectures, they will tell you that you can go for the games. So then you can play the games, mainly volleyball. Okay, and if possible cricket. That's it. These are the two main games. Okay, and then again in the evening there is a fall in, and after that dinner. So this is how the schedule will be. So this is the day 9. On the day 10, this is the test day. Okay, so how here on this day in the morning there is no PT, so directly you are going for the theory exam. So generally 6:30 to 7:30 a.m. So after the completion of the theory exam, so you will be having the breakfast, and after the breakfast you are moving to the training area for practical test. Okay, so whatever you have studied or you have learned in these 9 days, so those things they will be testing there. Okay, I will tell you each and everything, how exactly they are conducting test, each and everything I will tell you. So in simple, so once this test is completed, you are coming back, so we will be having the lunch, and in the afternoon session there is a badge presentation. Please remember, they will not give you certificate then. Please remember, certificate will come to you by post only. So here they will provide you some badge. So there you will be having some NIMAS logo, and then they will provide you, so in NIMAS logo, and below that the drafting, these things will be mentioned. Okay, so in the last video I'll try to show you that badge and all. Okay, and then in the evening fall in. Okay, this is the last day, right? So last day, so this badge presentation and all these things, generally they will be finished by 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. Okay, so generally after that, so it is difficult to move to far away distances. So that's why it is suggested that that day night you just stay in the institute only. So next day morning you can leave. So that's why, so in the joining instructions, they are saying that you need to reach the institute one day in advance. And after completion of the course, next day you are leaving from the institute. Okay, so this is how the schedule of basic course. Now, if we see the intermediate course, day 1 is again same only. 6:15 fall in for PT, visit to campus temple, and then documentation in the morning session, and then you are moving to the training area for swimming test and all, and then in the afternoon session you will be having lectures and fall in, and this is how as it is. And from day 2 to day 11, so again PT in the morning, and then breakfast, load the equipment, move to training area, and then you are practicing so many skills. Okay, but here important thing is, so what the difference between this basic and intermediate courses? This is important. In the basic course, you are not doing any guiding, please remember. But in the intermediate course, you are also doing guiding. Okay, sitting in the position of a guide, and then you are guiding the raft in which direction the raft has to go. So this is a little bit difficult. It is not that much easy. Okay, so these things also slowly we are learning. Okay, this is what the main difference between basic and intermediate course. In intermediate course, you are also learning about the guiding. Okay, next one. And again in the afternoon session, games or lectures will be there, and then fall-in will be there. So this is how the day will be there for these remaining days. Again on the 12th day 12 of intermediate course, test day. In the morning, theory exam is there, and after that you are going for the practical test, and then in the evening session badge presentation is there. That's it. With this, the course is completed. So this is how the course is designed. So this is how in general this course is conducted. That's it. Okay, so with this basic information regarding the course is completed. From the next lecture onwards, I will talk about each and everything in detail. Okay, that's it. With this lecture is completed. We will meet in the next lecture. Thank you.